Hyacinths are one of my most favourite flowers, and the list is maybe a bit too big because I'm in love with every single cut flower, but hyacinths in particular because they have a gorgeous fragrance. But as they start aging, they start to maybe smell a little bit. So as soon as you start smelling, that's not smelling so good, you know that your hyacinth is on the way out. Now it is a male cut flower, so anything from a bulb or an onion looking bulb is a male, which means that you need to cut your stems flush. And this is another cut flower like the tulip where it starts to sag forward. Now in order to eliminate that, we've just done the first by cutting it flush. The second elimination is you need to invest in an 18 gauge wire. Now that's too long for the purpose of this workshop or this exercise. So I'm going to cut that in half. I'm going to place my hyacinth down on the bench like so, and I'm going to cut into that wire around there. So that length is perfect, and I'm going to internally feed the wire, and you'll notice I didn't feed that because I've made that hole myself. It originates with a hole down the bottom, and I'm just going to feed it through the stem right the way. I want it to go all the way to the top, so I can feel it going all the way to the top. Yep. And that now has made the stem really, really firm, and you're not going to have your hyacinth going forward or swaying from left to right like flowers do in the wind. That now has eliminated that 18 gauge wire, and I've cut the stem flush, and it smells magnificent. Now hyacinths come in an array of colours, from white to dark pink to soft pink to blue and to purple. And if you're after a flower that stops you from being distracted and you're yearning for focus in your life, this flower is the flower to invest in, because it'll bring focus into your life and it'll stop all the distractions that you're having throughout the day. So I can do with a little bit of hyacinth in my life. I hope you've enjoyed that tip.